Hello everybody, this is Marie Jones, frontline advocate of Perfectly Posh and team leader of Posh Promoters. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how to change your font styles in Facebook on your smartphone. So this is pretty simple. Whenever you post something on Facebook, it usually comes in just one font. And you can change it on your computer, but how do you do it on your phone? Well, it's very easy. You go to fontspace.com. In there, go ahead and go to the font generator and copy and paste your verbiage in here. When you do that, you'll see all kinds of different fonts. All you have to do is click on copy and then go back to your post and paste it where you want that verbiage to go. And it is that easy. I really want to thank my team leader, Jamie Cummings, for showing me this fantastic trick. And make sure that when you're doing this, that, if you're using AI to take out the asterisks where you're supposed to bold your font. If you found that this video was very helpful, please share it with a friend. If you have an idea of a video tip that you would like created, just let me know. And if you're interested in Perfectly Posh, contact the person who shared this video with you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video.